Softly, where the city still breathes, your heart opens wide among 1,000 foreign glances. A spark beats bright and light. Lay your burdens gently in the light. Tell the silence your name. Every wound becomes a bridge that guides us out of frame.
Hear how one voice grows,
Hear,
till it fills 1,000 throats. Hear,
hear,
feel into your heart.
let love come in.
Feel your heart.
You are not alone.
All together, a spark becomes a larger sound. The song makes circles, hand in hand, a lifetime long.
Do you see the streets? They call for light.
We come, we are the duty.
On the squares a singing grows. Voices carry courage. People reach out to people's hands. Lay down fears like hats. Each step a new field of seeds that slowly sprouts in warmth. When we share, when we listen, togetherness is newly formed.
Someone says I can't go on.
We will carry you, we carry you deeply.
Someone cries here in the
We
dark.
make light, we are with you.
Feel into your heart.
Carry love far,
Carry love far.
across time and time.
We are many. One hand, one aim.
We are many,
One heart, one song.
more than play. Children's choir.
We are tomorrow. We are new.
Yes, we build freely.
Children's choir.
Voices colorful like farmland.
We reach out our hand.
Don't look away. One word, one touch, one small light is enough.
Don't look away. Reach your hand. Don't stay silent.
Sing with us.
Feel into